Oh my. So I was shopping at Aldi the other day, and I saw a raised bed garden being offered for $20. And I thought, what kind of play school garden are they trying to get me to buy? Well, I had to find out. So I bought it and put it together. So I'm going to show you what you get for $20 from Aldi. If it's anything like other stuff Aldi offers, it's pretty good. We'll find out. So I decided to go all Aldi on this. I bought 4 bags of dirt at $4 a pop. I bought some landscape fabric for $5. I know they were selling it at Aldi. They had all their stuff together this year. And the raised bed garden itself for $20. So all in all, it cost me about $42. So I don't think that's bad for a little garden. We'll see how it goes. I'm thinking about planting about 6 tomato plants, maybe a couple eggplants, maybe a pepper or 2. We'll see what goes on. See how it turns out. Like most Aldi finds, they go quick. So if you see it, grab it. Let me know how it worked out for you. For me, it's not a bad deal. So happy gardening. Have some firecrackers you can throw too. Where's those helicopters at when you need them? Outside filming this